Hello everyone, my name is Alicia Lott. Welcome to my video about bullet journaling and goal setting. And today I am going to show you how I set up my weekly spread. And this is my weekly spread from last week. And as you can see, it just turns into a chaotic mess, but that's okay. So this is my habit tracker. This is just everything that I keep up with that I like to do on a daily basis. And I've covered some things up here that are private, so this is how I keep track of my week. This is how I keep track of everything that I want to do every day. So let's get started. So it is the week of November 13th through the 19th. I want to start exercising again. I just feel so gross lately. I've just not really been walking and I've not really been taking care of my body. I hesitate because I did just start a new job and I hate having a bunch of changes to my schedule at the same time. So I'm going to put exercise 30 minutes. So first thing, right out the gate, as soon as I wake up, I'm going to, just get up, brush my teeth or something really quickly and start with a YouTube video and just start exercising for 30 minutes. Then I will be in my journal. I will do my morning check-in and I will read my goals aloud. I just read them aloud. They're in the front cover of my journal here. Actually, I'll show you really quickly. And I just flip here and read them, and that's it. Also, I will journal for 5 minutes in the morning with prompt questions that change. So right now I'm just working with 2. I crossed out 2 questions, so I am not going to worry about trying to think up new questions for November. I will just stick with the 2 until the end of November, and then maybe I'll think of 2 more. Then also I will read for 30 minutes. I've been reading a lot. I'm actually reading 2 books at the same time, so it's like I read 30 minutes of one book in the morning, and then throughout the day I'll try to read some from the other book as well, and then I kind of alternate. So I like doing that just to keep things interesting, I will read for at least 30 minutes. Usually it ends up being more than that if the books are good that I'm reading. Spanish for 30 minutes. And the reason I'm adding this is I'm conversational in Spanish, and I can speak to someone who is of my own age group, and I don't have to be very formal. But with my new job, it's actually a bilingual position. I realized that my level of Spanish is really not where it needs to be for this position. People talk about it a lot, that women tend to only apply for positions that they feel 100% qualified for. And so with this, I feel, I just feel proud that I said, you know what, I am qualified in so many other ways with this position, and I'm going to just see if I can, get through with my level of Spanish, and I will, it'll be on the job training for me. Next one is no internet or phone after 8:00 p.m. Next one is vitamin. Having this on the list is like an easy win for me. I do believe in sometimes putting an easy win on the habit tracker. That way you always have something. So vitamin is my one because I keep my bottle of vitamins right next to my bed. I just boop, boop, take it and it's done. To-do list, that's another easy win. Right before I go to bed, I just make sure that my to-do list is filled out and completed and ready for bed by 9:30. Here I will write the days of the week. Okay, doke. There we go. All right, leave myself a little space. Okay, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm going to put dashes for things that I don't want to do on Saturday, Sunday. I don't see myself practicing the Spanish. All right, on Saturday or Sunday. Now let me do my to-do list. Do-do-do. Okay, Friday's gonna be a little small, but that's okay. I'm gonna put another box down here. I have a calendar stamp that I am very excited, always excited to use. Let's make sure it's right side up. That would help. Okay. All right. Let me try not to make it crooked either. Hey, look, all the numbers are shot up. Oh my gosh! Do you know how many weeks I've been using this and the numbers would never show up? I'd have like a whole row of missing numbers or whatever. So this is beautiful. All right. And now I am going to put the month here. Oops. Oh my God. Movember. Okay, November. I'm going to put the year, make it fancy. 2023. And I'm going to put some little doodly doos along the side. I'm so happy. Put some little stars. Nothing fancy, it's okay. It doesn't have to be. And then we're gonna do and some little hearts, maybe. I like a heart. Always like some love. Yes! All right. And now let me go ahead and do Saturday and Sunday. Okay, and for next week, I like to leave myself a little space for doodling. Also, something I wanted to show you for my to-do list, because I don't always refer back to this throughout the day. Yes, ADHD, I must have something to look at every day, like during the day. So I made myself a little dry erase board as well, just to keep track of everything. That's my new work schedule. So it's 8:45 to 5:30 p.m. 8:45 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Sunday through Thursday, and then I get a dinky little half-hour lunch. So this is not my dream job. It's not my forever job, but I am glad that I got it, because yes, I feel it's a good job for me to learn new skills and also practice my Spanish. So these pages, these next few pages are going to be the pages that I write in every day. So I will have up here my journaling prompt questions, and then underneath I will just do some free writing at night before I go to bed. Just helps me get a brain dump and just whatever I feel like writing about at night. November 13th a.m. Okay. And so one thing I'm looking forward to. What are you looking forward to today? I didn't give myself much space to write the answer. That's okay. And how will I take care of my body today? Usually this is something very simple, such as drinking more water or maybe eating a salad, something like that. All right, and since I'm only doing 2 questions now, I'll just go ahead and put a line underneath that, and then I can do PM. Okay, PM question. I'm just going to abbreviate a little bit. 2 things I'm grateful for. Highlight of the day. How was I resourceful today? Because resourceful is my word of the month. How did I take care of my body today? Okay. Oh, I have something special. Wait, I want to, whenever I hit like a milestone number for my YouTube subscribers, I like to write it here. So I'm trying to just keep track throughout the journal. So right now, as of just a few minutes ago, I have 145 YouTube subscribers. And I want to thank you all so much for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And this is my weekly spread. I love how beautiful and clean it looks right now. And it's just going to get all messed up over the course of the week. And that's okay. Upside down, wave, goodbye. Have a wonderful week.